Hello students, now today we will discuss about some numerical problems based on mass, weight, volume, density and relative density. So first question is calculate the mass of a body whose density is 3. Density is given, density represented by rho is given 3 kg per meter cube. 3 kg per meter cube and volume is 0.6 meter cube. Volume V is given 0.6 meter cube. Calculate the mass of body. It means find the value of mass. Okay, represented by small m. We have formula rho equals m by v. Density equals mass upon volume. Okay, and we have the value of rho 3. The value of rho is given in SI system, and also the value of v is given in SI system. Okay, so 3 equals 3 kg per meter cube equals, find out the value of m upon v, 0.6 meter cube. Okay, meter cube cancel. Now m equals 3 into 0.6 kg. Unit of mass in SI system will be kilogram. So 1.8, after solving we have 1.8 kg. Mass of body will be 1.8 kilogram. Okay, it means this question is based on this formula rho equals m by v. Now we will discuss about second question. Second question is the density of gold is 19 gram per cc. Again in second question, first part A, density is given, rho equals 19 gram per cc. Okay, find the value. It means find out the value of V. Okay, the value of V if mass is given 38 gram. It means mass of gold is given 38 gram. Okay, now the value of rho is given, the value of m is given, and find out the value of v. So we have formula rho equals m by v. Okay, now put the value of v, value of rho 19 gram per cc in CGS system. The value of m is given 38 gram upon the value of v. V is a known quantity, so v equals 38 upon 19. 38 upon 19, and this will equal to 2 cc. 2 cubic centimeter, also known as cc. Now second part of this question is what will be volume of 0.095 kilogram of gold. It means mass is given 0.095 kilogram and the value of rho is already given, rho 19 gram per cc. Okay, so first of all convert the value of kilogram mass from kilogram to gram, and in this case both quantity will be in same system, CGS system. Okay, now m equals 0.095 into 1000 gram. Then we have 95 gram. Mass of gold will be 95 and rho 90. Okay. Now according to definition m by v, then we have to find the value of v. So v equals m by rho. The value of m will be 95 gram and the value of rho 19 gram per cc, and after solving we have 5 cc. This is right answer. Okay. Now it means in both questions, both part we have to find the value of v. Okay. Now next question number 3. Next question number 3. First, second, third question. RD of diamond is given. Actually, student, from definition of relative density, we have RD equals density of substance upon density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. Okay. In this question, density of RD of diamond. Okay. So density of diamond will be RD of diamond is given. Okay. According to question, the value of RD is given. Okay. What is the mass of 1 cubic centimeter diamond? It means mass is already given, volume is given 1 cubic centimeter, and find out the value of m. So first of all, we have formula rho equals m by v, but first of all find out the value of rho, density of diamond. Okay. Now density of diamond, rho of diamond. Okay. Upon density of water. Student, at 4 degree centigrade, density of water will be 1000 kg per meter cube in SI system. 1000 kg per meter cube in SI system, or 1 gram per cc. Okay, in CGS system. So if we take the value of density 1000, then we have density in SI system. And if we take the value of water, density of water 1 gram per cubic centimeter, then we have the value of density of diamond in CGS system. So suppose that we take in CGS system, because in next part volume is given in CGS system. So density of diamond equals 3.5 into 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Now 3.5 gram per cc. This is density of diamond in CGS system. Okay. Now use the value of density 3.5 in this formula. 3.5 gram per cc equals, we have to find the value of m and put the value of v, 1 cubic centimeter. We can also take the value of cubic centimeter as cc. Okay. Now m equal 3.5 gram. 3.5 gram. This is mass of that diamond. Okay. It means in this question, first of all, write formula of RD and find out the value of diamond, density. Okay. Then putting the value of density in formula rho equals m by v, we can find the value of m. Okay. Now next, Next question is also based on the previous question. RD of aluminum is given. Okay, RD is given 2.7. What is its density in CGS and SI system? Okay, now RD equals density of aluminum upon density of water. If we take density of water 1000, then we have density in SI system. Okay, 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay, and the value of RD is 2.7. Now density of aluminum equals 2.7 into 1000 kg per meter cube. Now we have 2700 kg per meter cube in SI system, and also find the value of density in CGS. So if we take the value in CGS system, then we have 1 gram per cc. Okay, and after solving we have density of aluminum in CGS system 2.7 into 1 gram per cc. Okay, density of water, then we have 2.7 gram per cc in CGS system. Okay, now next, next question is based on weight and mass. Okay, in next question, why weight 600 on earth? It means weight of boy on earth 600 Newton. Okay, what is his weight on moon? Now student, weight of body on earth will be mg. Okay, weight equals mass into acceleration due to gravity, and if object object is on earth, in this case we can take the value of g 9.8, but the value of g 9.8 varies place to place. Okay, and on moon, weight of any object on moon will be mg by 6, because the value of g varies place to place, and on moon the value of g will be 9.8 divided by 6, near about 1 point something. Okay, now question is weight on moon. So this is weight of boy on earth. It means this is weight of boy mg 600 Newton, and weight on moon will be mg by 6. So take the value of mg 600 Newton and divided by 6, then we have 100 Newton. Student, in previous lectures we have differences between mass and weight. Mass is a constant quantity, but weight varies place to place. Okay, due to variation in g. If the value of g is 9.8 or 10, then we have formula mg. But if value of g varies place to place, then put the value of new g, then we have correct answer. Okay, solution of that question. Now next question number 6. A boy has a mass of 50 kg. Mass of boy is 50 kg. Now, what will be his mass on moon? Why? Student, mass is a constant quantity, so write down mass is a constant quantity, so mass on moon will be same as, okay, same as on earth, okay. So mass on moon will be 50 kg, okay. Only the value of weight varies place to place due to variation in g, okay, and the value of m is constant. So in this question mass is given 50 kg, and question is find out what will be mass of boy on moon. So there is no any change in mass of boy on moon or other places, okay. Now last question. Last question is bodies A, B, C, D has densities. Density of A is 500 kg per meter cube. Density of B is 1300 kg per meter cube. C is 0.85 gram per cubic centimeter, and density of D is 2500 kg per meter cube. Okay, first of all find out RD of that substance. RD of this is density, okay. Now find out RD of A. RD of A will be, actually RD means density, ratio of density of substance to density of water, okay. So density of substance, density of A is 500 kg per meter cube, okay, meter cube, upon density of water will be 1000, so divided by 1000 kg per meter cube. Then we have 0.5 and RD has no unit. Similarly we can find RD of B 1300 upon 1000, then we have 1.3. For C, already the value of density is given in CGS system, so divided by 1 gram per cubic centimeter in CGS. Then 0.85 divided by 1, then we have 0.85, and now in last 2500 divided by 1000. Only in this case divided by 1 because already the value of density is given in CGS system, so divided by 1 gram per cubic centimeter, 2.5. This is RD of substance A, B, C, D. Now we have a concept of RD. If RD of any substance is greater than RD of water, okay, if we have other liquid water, then RD of substance is greater than 1, in this case body will sink. If RD of substance is less than 1, then body will be float, okay. So RD of A is given 0.5 and 0.5 is less than okay. Now 0.5 is greater than 1, okay, less than 1, then body will float. Now 1.3 is greater than 1, then body will be sink. 0.8 is less than 1, then body will float, and 2.5 is greater than 1, then body will sink. If RD of any substance is greater than 1, then body will sink, and if less than 1, then body will float. Okay, 0.5 float, 1.3 sink, 0.85 float, and 2.5 is greater than 1, so body D will sink. Okay, thank you.